Hello and welcome back to another tech tip tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to move your Ethereum from your Shakepay
into a decentralized exchange so you can purchase whatever kind of coin you want. Stay tuned.
The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to install the Metamask online wallet. And we're just going to go download here, Chrome, install. And we're going to add this extension. Alright, and then let's get started. Alright, let's create a wallet. Make sure you put in your password and then you just keep moving forward. So what we want to do is we want to pick a password and then do the same thing for this one. Pick another password and then we're going to reveal these secret words, and then we're going to need to write these down. And you need to write them down in order. So when you're writing them down, make sure they're all in the right order, as it's going to ask us for those words back. All right, and now we're just going to move forward and we're going to put in our phrase again. All right, and then I just hit next, and then we're all done. So what we want to do now is we want to send ethers into this wallet. So as you guys can see, there's different networks. So we want to be sending it on the main Ethereum network. So that's assuming that you guys have purchased Ethereum. Now, if you haven't purchased Ethereum, convert it on Shakepay and then bring it in, or buy Ethereum directly with your fiat currency. So from Shakepay, it would be Canadian dollars. Just a quick note, you can't send in funds that are not Ethereum. So if you're trying to fund a wallet, it has to be Ethereum. If you want to send money out, it could be different. It doesn't have to be Ethereum. So if you want to add, say, if you buy Bitcoins on the exchange, you can add a BTC wallet. And now you have a BTC wallet, and then you can send that out back into your ledger device or back onto Shakepay or whatever it is. So back to it now. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go back here. What we want to do is we want to hit the buy button. And then I'm going to directly deposit Ether. So I'm going to hit view account, and there's the account that I'm going to be putting it into Shakepay, and let's just move forward from there. So here is a screen capture of my phone. So what we want to do is we want to hit send, and then we want to put this address here, and then we're going to want to put it into this address here. I'm going to skip this step as I'm going to use my real wallet for this transaction. So now I will be transferring all my ETH into this. So I'm just going to hit max right at the bottom here, and then I'm going to hit continue after I've quadruple checked my address. Once I have completed quadruple checking my address, I hit continue down at the bottom here, and then I confirm the transaction. Now we wait for the ETH to show up in our transactions here on our Metamask wallet. This process does take a little bit of time, so just be patient.
ETH 2.0 will surpass this problem.
So as you guys can see, I received my ETH on my account, and now I'm ready to load it onto Uniswap and receive a different coin. Or I guess not receive, but trade different coins. So as you guys can see here, I just loaded Uniswap, and we're going to connect the wallet. We're going to hit Metamask, and this is my testing account, so it's not going to have any ETH, but just hit next, and that's it. So now my wallet is hooked up to Uniswap and I'm ready to trade whatever I want. If we wanted to go from ETH to, say, Balancer, so from 1 ETH to 22 will get you 22 Balancer tokens. And if I had enough ETH in here, this would show it that I could make the transaction. So that is pretty much how you transact and how you can set up a online wallet to use on a decentralized exchange. Uniswap also lets you stake your money as well, or your coins, and you can earn money by staking your coins, but this video doesn't cover it. You guys do want to know a little bit more about staking, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to cover next. Thank you very much and have a good day.